Hey, what's up guys? This is Aman and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to share my experience of US visa interview as an international student. So let's start. So the day when I had my visa interview for USA, I was super nervous and I was super excited. I woke up super early in the morning and then I got to the US embassy for my interview, and when I entered the building I was standing in the line. So when it was almost my turn and the lady who was standing at the counter, she was giving her interview, I could hear the questions and answers that were being exchanged between the visa officer and the lady, and she was kind of pissing off the visa officer. Maybe she wasn't answering right or something, and I was super nervous because I thought that the visa officer is not in a good mood and he might not approve my visa. So I was super nervous about that, and then my turn came, and then he asked me for my passport and I-20, which is a letter that university sends you once you get admission in their school. And so I gave my documents to him, and then he started the interview. So he started asking with questions like, so you're going to study in USA? I was like, yes, I'm going to study in USA. And then he asked me, how many schools did you apply to? I said I applied to 2 universities, and both accepted me. And so he asked me why you chose this university. I chose California State University, so he asked me why I chose this university over another university. So I did my research. That's the first key point. When you go for a US visa interview, always do your research. Always do your research on your school, because they want to see that you are serious about your education, that you're investing too much money on something, and they want you to be serious about that. And so I told him many facts about my university, why I chose it. Like, because I'm from a medical field, so I told him that this university, they have very good hospitals where they rotate the students for their clinicals, and they have a 100% placement rate, and they are number 1 among top public universities. And I told many facts about my university, so you guys should also do your research about your university before you go to the interview. So, and that's gonna be really helpful, because they want you to be honest, they want you to take it serious, because they can tell they have interviewed like thousands of students in their lifetime, so they can tell if you are serious about your education. And another question that they asked me, that officer asked me, was that, okay, who is sponsoring your education? I said my parents are sponsoring my education. And then he asked me, okay, what do they do? I said I just told whatever the profession of my parents is. And then he said, do you have any siblings? I said, yeah, I have one sister. And he said, okay, how old is she? What does she do? Is she still in school? And I said, yeah, she's still in school. And he said, okay, what are your plans once you finish your education? So this is the main point, okay? At this point, you want to convince them that you're coming back to your country. And you cannot just say, okay, after finishing my education, I will come back and I'll do this. It's too common, it's too cliche. You can't just, because everybody says that and they don't take that as an answer, I think. So what I said is that I told them my plans after I finish my education. I told them like, hey, I'm going to work in hospitals in the Delhi area. They have very high demand for the degree that I am gonna get. Like, they're gonna hire me right away if I have that degree and I come from US. So that's what I told them. I told them about my plan. So that's what you guys should do. Just tell your plan, be honest. And another question that he asked me, he said, okay, why you wanna do this degree? Why not anything else? Why you wanna go in the medical field? And I told him like I wanna help the community, I wanna help people, and I feel more happy by helping people rather than taking anything from people. So that wasn't the question. And then he asked me, do you have anybody in USA? Just tell them the truth if you have anybody in USA, because they have everything in their record. So if somebody who's in very close relation to you, they can find that right away if you lie. It's not good to lie. And tell them your assets, how much money you have, how much you are going to invest in your education, because if you tell them the lie, they can ask for your documents and then they can catch your lie. So it's better not to lie, just say the truth. And that's all he asked me. And then he said, okay, congratulations, I'm approving your visa. And I was super happy. I was like, oh, that's it? And he said, yeah. And then he just smiled at me. The thing that I noticed was before my interview started, his mood was kind of different. He was a little mad or disappointed. But when he started interviewing me, his mood was like completely changed. He was smiling at me. He was being super friendly. Remember, guys, those people there, they are very friendly. And don't be nervous. So how you can take your nervousness away is you can practice your interview many times. My interview, I practiced like at least like 30-40 times. I practiced it with so many people. So when you practice it with people, you interview the other people, they interview you, so you kind of get to your stuff, like you know what you're talking about. And so do a lot of practice, do a lots of research, be honest, and don't be nervous. That's what I would say, because when you be nervous, you start to forget things, and that's not what you want to do there, because they want to know that yeah, you have done your research, you have passion about going to USA and studying there. And I would also suggest that you should like videotape yourself interviewing yourself, so you know if you are doing anything wrong or if you are being nervous. For me, like I used to like look on my fingers like this while giving interviews to other people for practice, and people told me, hey, don't do that. So I stopped doing that. So that's how you get to know what you should not do when you're giving interview. So these are the 3 tips for you guys. Be honest, practice, do lots of practice before you actually go for the interview. Lots of practice. Third, research on your school, on your university, on your degree. Do a lots of research, a lot. You can find everything about your university on their website. They have everything on their university website, like the facts, the prizes that they have won, but why other people should choose that university. Everything you can find on their website. And yeah, so I think that'll be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep working hard towards your dreams.